tour. Very, very casual. Please ask whatever questions you do have. Take part in our food, our cocktails, and we're going to take a quick trip out there. So we have a team. Holly Robertson, she is our interim marketing director. Dallas Stevens was our operations director. He just walked out. So we're excited to be here today to connect with you and give you an exclusive sneak peek tour of our Tampa Premium Outlets and share our construction updates as we get closer to our official grand opening date, which is October 29th. Pretty close.
I live in Hillsborough.
Okay. So we are excited. We are going to open Thursday, October 29th. We have a weekend filled with fun activities for the family. We have a special guest, which is Bethany Frankel. So we want to encourage everyone to come out with their families and friends, not only take part of our events, but also our special deals, 25 to 65% off.
Wow. Is that a grand opening thing? Or is that
No, that is a premium outlet. Let's go see what we're so proud about. We're going to go this way.
So we're going to go to the left.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now, in the scenes here, these have been newly, whatever you call it, put down.
It's caulking, yeah. So please watch your step. A lot of this stuff is fresh. High heels and stuff.
Feel free to take whatever pictures you would like. We're just going to walk and talk. So.
Okay, great.
So we want to make sure that they have at least some covering being here in Florida. And plus it helps with a little bit of the ambiance of the whole center with having some openings with the palm trees and the like that, yes. So over to this area, guys, fine men, we're doing some concrete. It's going to be our play area. And our big focal point. Envision what the lagoon is going to look like. So this is the entrance lagoon. Fountains have some lights that we can do and do some programming for a different light show in addition to a fountain show. And then the bridge that you can cross from one section to another.
Shows you can do like the blockage.
it obviously right here, and the other one is across the way in front of Michael Kors. And so this is where our fire pit is going to be. We're going to have Adirondack chairs, ceiling fans, some cooling station vending that is going to be right there as well. So to give people a nice location to sit here, obviously look at the crowd, the lagoon, and a nice place for people to stop in. Yeah, we have a mixture. We have, we have Adirondack chairs, we have regular benches, we have some kind of just low platform kind of seating. We have bistro chairs, all there's a great mixture.
What percentage did you say is done? 85, 90%?
I would say we're probably at the 90 mark easily.
What was the question again?
Yeah, the amount of percentage of completion at this point. I would say we're over 90. Yeah.
Exceeded 90%?
After Saks, it was the biggest anchor.
I would say probably
These
this
three
quad
here.
right here. Yeah, I mean we've got Polo, and right here Polo is going to be our center feature here. Nike. And then Under Armour right there. We're well over 100 stores.
Okay, how many total storefronts?
Well over 100.
How widely are you marketing this? What's the rating?
So we're going to go clear into the Tampa Bay area. So it's all going to be Pasco counties, obviously, and the contiguous counties. Exactly. Yeah, I was going to do Market Hall since it's similar to that side.
Good music.
On the regular pipes?
Yeah.
It's kind of a mixture.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's a good mixture. We change it up a lot.
Salsa?
Maybe not salsa. Depends on the day, yeah. Market hall where basically it's our food court. So we're going to have our food court tenants, nice out here with some white noise. We're going to have our media lounge in addition to our guest services booth. So Dallas has some great stats for you if you would like to start rattling them off.
So interior, we're looking at an excess of 320 total seats for the interior food courts. We're looking at 5 total tenants. Exterior, we're looking at 19 tables, 64 total seats, somewhere thereabout. Just outside the door. There's also going to be seating under this semi-covered area here, so a lot of capability for people to be pretty comfortable.
Do you know who the tenants are going to be?
Yeah, we do.
Yes, absolutely.
And they're listed in your
In the package.
Italian.
$1 an hour, nothing less.
It'll be under
That's
V.
just eating.
Beer.
Application.
V is in
Over here in
Victor.
this corner, there's going to be a media lounge.
It's probably already on the website.
Okay.
It's
Just comfort
it's
features and
Italian.
things.
So
Okay.
the concepts will be Italian, Asian chow, Johnny Rockets, green leaves.
What's that fifth one? Villa, Johnny Rockets, Asian chow. Now you're making. And then what's the last one?
Are you serious?
I'll look at it.
It is South Philly.
South
Philly.
Philly, there's the
There's your cheesesteak.
Our job here, we had anticipated well over 800 jobs that this facility is going to bring. So then you put all the retailers that are here and all those employers, but all the pre-construction, the actual construction that have brought back into our community. Absolutely. You know, Career Source from day one has been absolutely phenomenal to work with. And they still continue to work with us. I mean, in addition to the executive director of the Chamber of Commerce. Just this week, she has, in her office, helped us do all of the interviewing for our guest services staff. She's also helped out the Lucky Brand people in addition to the loft. So the partnership amongst our community has just been absolutely phenomenal.
Who is that that's been helping out?
That was Hope Allen with the executive director of the Chamber of Commerce.
It's so fun.
She's been integral in finding workers.
No. She opened her Chamber of Commerce office to help give a site for each individual retailer that are still looking for fulfillment of their employees. So obviously it's not something that we can do here under construction, and it's not conducive to that. So Hope has opened up her office for different retailers to do that. Well, every center within Simon is very much a community gathering place, and one of the things about the Wesley Chapel, Pasco County area is this is going to be the place that they do want to come and sit back and relax, take a part of our market hall. I think with the amenities that we do have, the nice shade structures, the gas, fireplaces, the Adirondack chairs. I mean, again, it goes back to, I'm going to say it 1,000 times, this lagoon is absolutely fantastic. I think it's going to be a feature that people will want to see. I think there's going to be a lot of people that are going to want their photo taken by it, beside it. So I think it's going to be a nice, comfortable, warm, friendly shopping experience for people.
And maybe around just TVs? Or
yeah, just
Wi-Fi?
TVs and Wi-Fi. We certainly have public Wi-Fi available, so they can go in there, and especially on those hot days, go in there and cool off and take part in guest services, media lounge, and also our market hall vendors.
Does the Wi-Fi go throughout the whole complex?
Have you already scheduled Santa Claus to come? Got his appointment
We're
calendar?
not working on that yet.
Are there any other tech touches? I mean, I know
Busy guy.
Sarasota has the electronic touchscreen directories. Any other?
No, we don't have something like that. In addition to guest services, selling our Simon gift cards, we'll have wheelchairs and those type of amenities, vending throughout the property. But to say that we're tech savvy when it comes to something like that, no, that's not our platform with Premium Outlets. Go ahead and say that.
So we are going to have in several areas throughout the property laptop and cell phone charging, both in the market hall, exterior, most anywhere you would expect to sit. There should be something to charge your devices.
Wait. Gonna be first in line. What's that? Where did Lewis go?
We just opened a Premium Outlet there. Obviously, that is very mountain, deserty. Everything was like in brown motif, but very, very nicely done. They don't have a lagoon. They have like more of like a grassy area with things above. This is just